With premium features like ultra-quiet operation, high water and energy efficiency and load sensing technology, it's not hard to see why Bosch is a world leader in dishwashers. This Series 6 freestanding model can accommodate up to 14 place settings, making post-dinner party cleaning a breeze. Behind the elegant anti-fingerprint stainless steel exterior, you'll find a host of flexible stacking options, such as foldable racks, movable cutlery basket in the lower section, plus Bosch Rackmatic Plus. This 3-stage top basket can be adjusted to 3 height levels to maximise convenience. 5 strategically designed spray arms maximise water contact, ensuring the cleanest dinnerware every time. Whether you're using the Home Connect app with your smartphone or using the sleek control panel on the unit, swiftly choose between 6 wash programs. The Pots and Pans program will help eliminate stuck-on grease, while Auto Gentle is ideal for sensitive and lightly soiled dishes. You can also opt for a special option like Hygiene Plus, which washes at higher temperatures to achieve a greater level of sanitation. And for dishes that are as dry as they are clean, the extra dry option delivers thoroughly dry dishes ready to be put away without any extra work. Powered by Bosch's Eco Silence Drive, you'll enjoy not only a powerful and efficient washing performance, but one that operates with minimal noise, so you can experience a more peaceful kitchen. And that's the Bosch Series 6 dishwasher. Thanks so much for watching.